Hi friends, welcome to Shell Home Crafts. If you are anything like me and love to do DIY projects for your home or just for fun, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. Let's get started. So for today's video, I'm going to spice up this cookie container to match my kitchen a little better. I picked up these apple barrel paints from Walmart. I've never used them before, so I wanted to give them a try. I got this white matte acrylic as well as the elephant gray. I decided to go with the elephant gray to cover the entire container. It did take a couple of coats, but I think it covered it pretty well. Okay, so here is where things got tricky. I knew I wanted to put the word cookies on it somehow, but I didn't have much to work with, so I printed out the word, glued it to some cardstock paper, and then glued some twine around it to try and create a sign of some sort, and this is how it turned out. To be honest, after looking at this every time I went into my kitchen, I just really wasn't happy with it. But the best thing about making things yourself is you can always fix it. So I took off that cookie label and I dry brushed the jar with some of that white paint I had showed you in the beginning of the video. I went to my local Dollar General and I picked up these black letter stickers to spell out cookie jar. And I think I actually really like it a lot better than the other one. Let me know in the comments below which one you like better, this one or the first one, and maybe what you may have done differently. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!